let's see this frame, right? So here we have 5 rectangles. These are the 5 rectangles on the left. If I want to group it, I can group it. I can expand and see, or I can collapse and I can make this as one group. So those functionalities are there. You can view it or hide it. You can lock it and all those things, right? Now, interestingly, on the right side, whatever you have is the properties panel, you can say. So for the elements, right? So if you select a frame, you can see all the properties of that frame here, right? If you select a shape, if you select a group, you can see all the properties of it here. If you select a shape, you can see all the properties of it here, right? So always remember, if you want to create something, you will go left top. If you want to see what are things that are there, you will see left. If you want to see what is the properties of a particular thing, you will go right. So you can play with the tools here. You have different shapes that you can create. You have pen tool also, with which you can create, manual shapes, whatever you want, right? You have text, so you can create text layer also. These are basics, right? So let's talk about properties a little bit. So for example, I have selected a rectangle. So I'm seeing its x-axis, its position. So if I can change it from here, it will start moving, right? And I can change it from here also, like this, right? Flexibility. You have width, you have height, you have rotation, you have rounded corners if you want to make it rounded, right? And we'll also talk about constraints. That's also very interesting. And then you have all the other properties. So how much opacity do you want? 100%, 50%, right? What is the fill? So it has only fill currently. You want to add stroke, you can add. You can add different effects like drop shadow and all, right? So those all the things that are there, and you can remove them as well.